Hey guys and girls, I just had to make a video on this little tiny packaging for this lightning cable that I got. It's amazing how well you can package a cable. Like, I have never in my life bought a cable this expensive, except for HDMI cables. But that makes sense. Like, this is insane. You just like pick it out, you get like a user manual and everything. So well packaged. Quality is great, I guess, but you know, I have bought cheaper Apple products. And a fun note, this didn't actually work for what I was trying to do, so I think my phone is broken. It doesn't let me keep it connected to the computer for some reason, but yeah, that's how it is. You see all this cardboard stuff like around the cable. It's hard to see how it's gonna get damaged in the package, but I guess they use that to keep it in the circular shape. And you get all the certification and the warranty and everything. Is insane. Like what am I gonna do with that? But all right, it's pretty good to have warranty on a cable, I guess, in case you break it. It's tough to open this packaging up, but it was like such good quality, man. It's crazy. Sad that my phone doesn't work as well as it used to, even if it's Apple. God damn. So open that up, just rip it up. There you go. Yeah, but you know, other than that, it's just like a cable. I mean, it's nothing special. But yeah, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. See you in the next one.